What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Still at the Citadel Outlets. Gonna check out a few shops. Gonna start with Reebok. I don't know where I'm gonna go after. We'll see. We'll see. Y'all will see in the thumbnail, I guess. Go see what's up. There is a New Balance outlet here. Maybe we'll stop by there after. Let's start with Reebok. Then we'll hit up some other shops. Entire store 40% off. Heard from the homie Oscar, they had 40% off the freaking pumps, the Omnis. I don't think that we're gonna see that here. They always exclude that deal. So yeah, let's see what we find. Been here quite a few times for the channel. Not the hugest outlet, but oh, they got the gold ones. They got the gold and the green ones, 40% off. That's what I'm talking about right there. Wow, they got that and that. Man. Oh my God, I paid so much more for this one. Oh my God. Too bad they don't have my size. Son of a monkey. Oh my God, I'm so mad. If I came here last week when the homie told me, I might have had a chance. I'm so dumb. They haven't had any pumps here, so I just figured, nah. Damn, I'm mad. Oh my God. I think I paid $90 for mine. This is $72 after the discount. Damn, I like this colorway too. I don't like it as much as like the OG ones, but this one's still not bad. Biggest size is a size 9. So 7 to size 9, that's what they got. And then going back to these, they got plenty of sizes. By plenty of sizes, only up to 11 and a half on these. They got up to 14 on these. They don't have any 12s, but they do have bigger sizes. Damn. Man, I'm gonna gush on these, man. Out of the 3 here, this is my favorite colorway. This one is fire. Those of you guys not familiar with the pumps, there are airbags throughout like the upper on here. So you put them on and then you pump it up and then it kind of forms to your feet, gives it a real nice hug. So yeah, you press that a bunch of times and then you press this to release the air. And yeah, just, man, this was my favorite sneaker in the 90s. I think these cost more than the Jordans in the 90s. Man, these are fire, dude. I'm so freaking mad I didn't come here last week. Damn. And I was actually here last week and I just didn't have a chance to stop by because I had to run home for work. But damn, these are fire. This is probably my least favorite colorway out of 3, to be honest. Is this the Power Ranger one, if I remember? I don't remember where that one was inspired by. And then they got this one. This one is the Celtics colorway, inspired by D Brown. He didn't wear this colorway. They didn't have this colorway. But yeah, this is inspired by D Brown. Man, dude, these are fire. Had to do the math for you. $96 for these. These are probably like 80 something dollars, $85 something. All right, let's go check out the rest of the store. I do instinctually automatically go for the size 10 and a half. Two got these. Shoot, who was the collab? Is this the Keith Haring collab? But yeah, dude got some Club C Legacies. Go for $90. You get 40 off. Zig Connecticut's. I'm not too much of a fan of those. $100. Do get the discount. This one's a little bit better. Size 10. The Workout Plus going for $80. It's like a classic look. I kind of like those. And then the Question Mid's going for $130. I'm definitely not a fan of that colorway. That material, $130 for those size 10. And then right here, is this a size 10 too? Nah, that's a size 7.5. Going for $120. $120. You do get the freaking 40% off. Smaller sizes. This is a size 8 right here. The Hot Ones collab with the Iversons, $130 for those. This one's pretty wild. Reminds me of some Metcons. These are the Nanos, probably meant for CrossFit. $120, size 8.5. Do got the most heat for the baby sizes, size 5.5 right here. For the women's sizes too, I guess. $75. Do got that nice material on it, the classic leathers. I have this colorway at home. These are fire, size 5, $120 for these. Got them in smaller sizes. When you do come to the Reebok Outlet, you do have to check the top. They do have some Question Mids up there. I don't know what colorway it is. Oh, the metallic silver. 9.5. Those are going for 130. You do get that 40 off. Then the baby sizes, they do have some Insta Pump Furies. Probably these right here. Full box right there, 140. All right, let's see what they got in this section. This is kind of the dopest section. Dude got deals like this. $35 for the Workout Plus. That's actually hella cheap. But also got deals like this. Look at this. Oh, this is interesting. I haven't seen this one, have I? Upper is like way different, kind of like a basketball jersey material. But they are Iversons. I haven't seen that before. That's interesting. 80 bucks to get 40% off. Plenty of sizes, even up to 14s. Damn, I just realized 80 and then 40 off on top, 40% off on top of that. That's hella cheap. Where's like the, usually that's exposed, right? This is like a weird one. It kind of reminds me of like the Jordan 11 low IEs, just way different than the mids. That's weird. And then also got this string right here in the middle. That's kind of weird. Okay. But yeah, $80, 40% off. That's hella cheap. They're the Reebok Solution mids. Okay. These are the questions. This is not up for promotion though. And then got this. I'm not a fan of that colorway at all. Okay. But man, those are the star of the show. They got one right here, two over there. Dude got some Club C Revenge, pretty good price. Lakers colorway. Tell me that's not a Lakers colorway, right? 80 bucks. Dude get 40% off all these. The classic leathers. Another one of those. Third one. If y'all like these, I don't know. They're all right. Workout Plus. Cheapest I've ever seen those. Got a couple colorways. I was like, is this one cheaper? No, it's probably about the same. Then this one, this one's not as dope compared to the other one. This hoodie is actually pretty nice. It is pretty thin, but it is 40% off. $65, you get 40% off. Probably like, what was that, 35 bucks, something like that, 36. Got plenty of sizes. Matching shirt, matching shorts if you're into that. USA Reebok t-shirt, kind of like that. That's pretty dope. $25, 40% off. Got question merch over here. This is okay. This ain't bad. I don't know, what is this? $80, you get 40 off. This one's fire though. This one's fire. White with the gray, and then you got the like the Giants colorway right here. Just reminds me of the Giants. $80. Do get 40% off. Got the matching pants as well. Then got regular Reebok hoodies too. I don't know what the price of these are. $55. Tire store, 40% off. $25 for a bunch of fleece right here. Got different colors. You got the baby blue too. Okay. Everybody getting rid of their fleece. Okay. All right, let's go check out some more spots. I'm walking and texting. Walked right by the New Balance outlet. All right, see what they got. And they got piles and piles of stuff there. All right, let's see what's up. Huge clearance signs. The clearance section looking kind of bare. Look at that. Wow. Dude got Kawhis. Size 8.5. These are definitely the cheapest ones. Are all these 8.5s? Yep, all of them 8.5s. Man, go for dirt cheap. Do get 30% off. $60. Wow. One of the better colorways too. Wow, $60. You do get 30 off. Wow. Some 500s right here. Not looking too terrible, especially for the price. $40. You do get another 30% off. So not too shabby. That's a 9.5. Got some 10.5s, 515s. Not too bad. Going for 70. 515s right here. Going for 70 bucks. Size 9.5. Oh, so they go by sizes. So that's all 10.5s right there. Then 9.5s, and then go down in size. Not really seeing too much. Seeing all kinds of stuff that I usually don't see at most stores. 237s. Never even heard of that number. But it is buy one, get one 50% off. Got tons and tons of colorways. Probably like 8 different colorways of these. 515s. Got a bunch of these. Same discount. Material is pretty interesting. Canvas and suede for this one. Okay. Probably like 7 more different colorways. Definitely got tons. Got them for wide feet too. Different materials as well. Nylon. There's at least, dang, I was wrong. There's at least 10 more colorways. Just kind of goes on forever and ever. If you like these models, especially at that price, not bad. Trail running shoes for the men right here. What are these? Mountain Train MLs? I don't know. That's the name right there. Confusing as hell. But yeah, $70. Okay. Got a few different colorways. Do got the 1080 version 11s, $150. That is retail game, but this is their premier running shoe. Got a few different colorways. Okay. 4 different colorways. Gray one right here, the last one. The New Balance Monarchs right here. Look just like the Monarchs. Their dad shoe, I guess. Okay. And the great school finding the best deals. These are the 993s. They're made in. Is this made in the USA or is this made in? Or is this made in England? I thought the 993s were made in England. This is made in like Indonesia or something. I thought the 993s and the 990s were made. I guess not. Okay. Another one of these. Okay. Did find the women's 1080 version 11s. Okay. Got more colorways. Oh, actually 2 for the 11s and then the 10s. The 10th generation. Going for $30 cheaper. Okay. Got quite a few colorways of these since it is an older model. Price not too bad. Normally $150, I believe. Women's section, not finding the dopest things. What are these? I don't even know what the hell these are. Running, like, what the hell is that? Like, really? What is that? Dude, got the 520s. Just nothing too crazy. Like stuff that I don't even know the name of. Dude, got alligator skin right here. That's definitely interesting. Haven't seen those. Don't even know the name. WLS. I don't know. 515s for the women. Just not as much dope. So no 574s. Usually they got 574s and stuff. All right, I think we're gonna wrap it up. Just not too much here today. Super quick visit to Adidas. Let's see what they got. Oh snap! It does say take an additional 50% off. Looks like store-wide 50% off. $120 for these. This is definitely interesting. It's a Lego. That's hilarious. Donovan Mitchell Lego collab. These are the Dynasty 3s. $120, 50% off. So $60. Okay. Mostly kid sizes though. This one only kid sizes. The Bel Air ones. And then do got these, the Dame 7s. If they weren't so silver, maybe I'd look at it. But yeah, they got one size 13, all kid sizes. Super Turf Adventures. What the hell is that? Oh, that's from one of the cartoons from way back when. Okay, $160 for those. Pretty much just kid sizes or women's sizes. $160, probably 50% off. What are these? What the hell? They make steel toe shoes. These look hella weird. These are some Ultra Boost 2021s. No price tag, no nothing. That's crazy looking. They are back to having a bunch of Ultra Boosts here. A bunch of them not on sale though, but this one is on sale. Normally $180. Got plenty of sizes. Only youth sizes for these. James Bond collab, $150, 50% off. Only kid sizes though. Yeah, only up to size 8. Summer ready version right here, going for $130. Up to size 9.5. $130 for these. Only big sizes, kind of interesting. Only 12, 13s. Oh, I remember seeing these at Foot Locker a while back. $130 for these. Only up to size 8. Oh, 8 and 9.5. That's it. Some cold ready versions. Got up to size 10, I think. 10.5. Ultra Boost 2021s now on sale. Washington Huskies version. Another version of those. And then that's it. I think we're gonna wrap it up. Visited plenty of stores here. I think we're gonna wrap it up, dude. Nothing too crazy. I think the Reebok was the most fun, for me at least. All right, guys, that was it. I did stop by quite a few shops. New Balance was really disappointing. Usually they have a bunch of 574s and they usually have other stuff, like better stuff, but I didn't really see much. I don't know, maybe you New Balance fans really like the stuff that they have. I'm gonna be honest, I like New Balance, but I don't really rock New Balance like that, so I don't know. I think that's why I don't go to that many, because I don't think I'm the greatest judge. Adidas, pretty, like their sales were alright, but I don't know, their selection was pretty mediocre. I haven't been a fan of the Adidas outlets lately because they just haven't had much. They had really dope sales early this year, but the last month or two, they haven't had much. That Reebok outlet, that was insane. I've never seen pumps on sale like that at 50% off. That's kind of why when Oscar did let me know, hey, they had that deal out east, I didn't even go check it out. So Now I just feel stupid. It is what it is. But definitely should have gone. Would have probably got my size as well in those blue ones. But it is what it is. You live and you learn. And I'll check them more often. I do come to this Nike outlets. I'll definitely check them more often. Man, thanks so much for watching, you guys. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Make sure you help a boy. Make sure you press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button. Y'all know what to do. And yeah, got plenty of videos coming. See you guys next one. Peace.